We'll begin by importing the clip and going to the Fusion page and press Ctrl space and type Planar Tracker, edit, and connect the media in 1 with Planar Tracker 1 and Planar Tracker 1 to media out 1. And now from the clip select the frame that is appropriate for you to draw the plane. For my case it is frame number 492, and now I'll set this frame as reference time and operation mode tracker point. And now for motion type I'll select perspective since my clip has a dolly effect. And now we'll draw the plane we want to track. Here connect all the points and connect the fourth point with the first point, and here's the plane we'll be tracking. And now hit track forward and go back to the reference time frame, which is 492 or 493, and track backward. And now add a text box and connect the text box with Planar Tracker 1. And now from operation mode select corner pin, and with this you identify the area within which the text will be visible. If the text is bigger than this area, the text will be cut out. And this is my area, and select the text node and type anything. For example, I'll type test. You can see the text is visible here now, and let me adjust the size, the font, as well as the font color. And now if we see,